Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about MVA or Microwave Ablation of the Thyroid Nodule. This is a new technique in which we use a microwave to completely ablate the thyroid swelling or the thyroid nodule. This is done using a needle under ultrasonographic guidance. The advantage being that it completely avoids a major thyroid surgery. Is it safe? Definitely. Any procedure which avoids general anesthesia is safer. Also, it ensures a speedy recovery, and it is an OPD procedure, that is, a patient does not need to get admitted to the hospital. Most important of all, it ensures a very good cosmetic result.